Hello. In today's video, we're going to see how we can fix the issue of not hearing sound in Instagram videos. But before, please hit the subscribe button. It helps us a lot. First, if we're browsing Instagram and don't hear the sound in the videos, we'll make different checks. The first one is to make sure that the sound icon, which is right here at the bottom right, doesn't have a line through it, as you can see on the screen. This means it's muted. If we tap on it, the video will start to play sound. The next check is that we swipe down, and inside the panel of our iPhone, we'll turn off the Bluetooth, as sometimes what happens is that it's still connected to some headphones and the sound is coming through there. Another alternative is to make sure we have enough sound in this bar here. We need to make sure we have enough volume to hear the video. And the last alternative is to completely close Instagram and then open it again. These are all the alternatives we can try. That's all. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.